Hi there. It would be only fit to call Cambridge Convent School is my second home. After all, it is the place where I spend most of time after my home. Not only that, the atmosphere in my school is so comfortable that makes me feel at home. Our school is one of my favorite places to be after my home. The reason is that it gives me immense joy to go to school every day, learn new things and then talk with my friends about all the happenings. Moreover, our teachers show up with the happiest faces every day and teach us and inspire us with something new every day. I will forever be grateful to Cambridge Convent School for being a pillar of study in my life. Everything that I learn here stays in my mind and my heart forever. One day I will have to bid farewell to this beautiful red walls and inspiring teacher, but it won't change anything. It is because my school is a part of who I am. It will always remain same for my entire life. This was Simranpreet Kaur. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This was Simranpreet Kaur from 6th Lily belonging to Sadarkot.